Welcome to SMS-MAN. Hesitant to share your personal phone number? Need to manage multiple X accounts? Get a secure, safe, and easy-to-use virtual number from SMS-MAN. It works with X and 1,000+ services in 200+ countries. No personal information required. Getting started with SMS-MAN is simple. Here's how it works. Visit sms-man.com. Sign in if you already have an account. If not, sign up by entering your email address and creating a password. Confirm your account through the verification email sent to you. Once your account is verified, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Click the top-up button to add funds to your account. SMS-MAN offers multiple top-up options, so you can choose what works best for you. After topping up, click the Receive SMS tab. On the Receive SMS tab, select Twitter as the service and choose the country for your virtual number. Click By SMS to purchase the number. Once the purchase is complete, the number will appear in the History tab on your dashboard. Next, go to x.com and click Create Account. Enter your name, the virtual number from SMS-MAN, and your date of birth, then click Next. On the Authenticate Your Account screen, click Authenticate. Solve the CAPTCHA and click OK on the Verify Phone pop-up. Go to your SMS-MAN dashboard, click Receive SMS button in History tab. Copy the verification code received. Paste the code on X and click Next. Then create a password for your account. Done! Your X account is now successfully created. With SMS-MAN, the entire process is fast, automated, and hassle-free. No waiting or manual verification needed. Plus, the support team is always available if you need assistance. Get started today and experience a secure, reliable, and private solution.